Before finishing your scan, take a moment to make sure it's complete and error-free. Start by tapping the Finish section button. On the review screen, you can check the details of your scanned space. Use the detailed view to check if you scanned your space properly. You can toggle these details on or off using the button in the top right corner. If you're happy with what you see, you can either finish your scan or add another section to create a larger model. If you notice that something is missing or doesn't look right, tap Rescan to redo the last section. When you're ready to finish, tap Finish Scan. You'll then have the option to edit your model before uploading. Tap Edit first to make adjustments. Here you can remove objects that don't belong or update categories if something has been labeled incorrectly. Make sure that the model is complete and error-free. This can help avoid problems further down the line. Once you're satisfied, tap Finish Scan again. Give your model a name, and that's it. After a short wait, your 3D model will be reconstructed and available in your personal space inside the Metaroom workspace.